Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to enable virtualization on Windows 10 or 11. First, go to the search bar, type Settings, then click on System after that search for Windows features, and press Enter. In the window that pops up, scroll down, check the box for Virtual Machine Platform, and click OK. When prompted, click Restart Now. Next, you need to boot into your BIOS. If you don't know your BIOS key, check out our previous video to see how to enter it easily from Windows. Once inside your BIOS, head over to the Configuration, Advanced, or CPU tab. Look for Virtualization Technology, Intel VT-X, or AMD-V, and switch it to Enabled. Save your changes and exit to restart your PC. To verify it's working, right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab, click CPU, and look at the bottom right. You will see Virtualization enabled. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.